In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a direct link to a specific cell in Google Sheets. This is a simple trick that saves time and eliminates confusion by taking someone straight to the exact cell you want them to see. First, open your Google Sheets document and click the cell you want to link to. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct cell, especially if you're directing someone to a key number, a status field, or a cell that needs attention. Next, right-click on the selected cell. In the menu that appears, choose either Get Link to this cell or Copy Link to Cell, depending on what your menu shows. Both options do the same thing. If you don't have a right-click, you can use your device's equivalent Open Menu action. After you select the option, the link is immediately copied to your clipboard. There's nothing else you need to do at this stage. Now, paste that link wherever you want to share it. You can drop it into an email, a document, a project management comment, or a chat message. If you'd like, you can add a short label before the link, like "See the latest total here," to provide context for the recipient. You can also test the link yourself by pasting it into a new browser tab to make sure it behaves as expected. When someone clicks the link, Google Sheets will open the correct sheet and automatically highlight the specific cell you selected. This makes it clear what they should look at or edit, even in a large spreadsheet. On mobile, it will open in the Sheets app if installed, or in the browser. Finally, make sure your sharing settings allow the recipient to access the sheet. If they don't have permission, they'll either see a request access screen or won't be able to open it. Click the Share button in the top right of your sheet and choose the appropriate level. Viewer if they only need to see it, commenter if they should leave feedback, or editor if they need to make changes. If you're sharing beyond your organization, consider using Anyone with the link at the right access level, but only if that's appropriate for your data. That's it. With just a couple of clicks, you've created a direct path to the exact cell that matters, reducing back and forth and keeping everyone aligned.